close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Enough momentum to knock down all the pins at once. Now that was cool.
Here follows a government announcement. The National Emergency Coordination Group has issued the following notices. A red weather alert is in force for the entire country for Monday 16th of October. Hurricane force winds are expected in every county. All schools, colleges and childcare facilities will be closed. People are advised to stay at home. No unnecessary travel or other outdoor activities should be undertaken. People should secure any
Lorsque vous entendrez cette sirène et que vous verrez ce message, cela signifiera que le ministère de la Justice a lancé le dispositif d'urgence pour retrouver un enfant enlevé. Alerte enlèvement. Une description de l'enfant enlevé, sa photo, la date, l'heure et le lieu de l'enlèvement vous seront communiqués, ainsi que des informations sur le suspect. N'agissez pas seul. Composez le numéro de téléphone qui vous sera communiqué si et seulement si vous disposez d'informations. Alerte enlèvement et le dispositif d'urgence pour retrouver un enfant enlevé. Votre mobilisation est essentielle. La survie d'un enfant en dépend.
בני ברק, רמת גן, אזעקה. בני ברק, רמת גן, אזעקה. רעננה, אזעקה.
הנקודה היפה ביותר שהייתה שלו, זהו מאחוריך, הנקודה אני מתחבא. ענן. הנה הוא, הנה כיפת ברזל. משחק בבקשה.
الرجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني بالمنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار الخطر. عليك باتباع ما يلي: ارتدي القناع الواقي، ابق في مكان آمن، واصل مشاهدتك لتلفزيون القناة 3 أو الاستماع للراديو على محطة FM تردد 91.4 أو 101.4.
Civil Defence in the Eastern Province has sounded the danger alarm siren. Please proceed as follows. Put on your gas mask. Stay in a safe place. Stay tuned to Channel 3 television or to 91.4 or 101.4 FM on the radio.
الرجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني بالمنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار الخطر. عليك باتباع ما يلي: ارتدي القناع الواقي، ابق في مكان آمن، واصل مشاهدتك لتلفزيون القناة 3 أو الاستماع للراديو على محطة FM تردد 91.4 أو 101.4.
Civil Defence in the Eastern Province has sounded the danger alarm siren. Please proceed as follows. Put on your gas mask. Stay in a safe place. Stay tuned to Channel 3 television or to 91.4 or 101.4 FM on the radio.
الرجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني في المنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار زوال الخطر. بإمكانك الآن التصرف بطريقة عادية.
Civil Defence in the Eastern Province has sounded the all-clear siren.
It's a war between the traditional.
Every day I go home, there's something shocking.
And the free-spirited.
Hey there! Are you here to join us?
Guest starring Daryl Young.
That's it. It's payback time.
And Gu.
Oh, my lucky bamboo!
Meet the MP returns Tuesday, the 26th of February at 9:30 p.m. on 5. You can also watch other episodes of Meet the MP on Toggle.
Do not be alarmed. You have just heard the important message signal of the public warning system sounded in support of Total Defense Day. This is sounded when the population is to be alerted to an important broadcast on local radio stations. There are two other signals of the public warning system, namely the alarm and all clear signals. When you hear the alarm signal, move to a shelter immediately. The all clear signal is sounded when the threat is over and you can leave the shelter. This message is brought to you by Singapore's Civil Defense Force.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Büyük firmalar olmaz. Büyük bankalar olmaz. Kesinlikle reklam. Tuvalet. Faydasını düşündüğüm için
Lütfen bekleyin. Please stand by. Lütfen bekleyin. Please stand by. Lütfen bekleyin. Please stand by. Lütfen bekleyin. Please stand by. Lütfen bekleyin. Please stand by. Lütfen bekleyin. Please stand by. Türkiye Cumhuriyeti Acil Durum Sistemi. Republic of Turkey Emergency Alert System. İstanbul yoğun kar yağışı. Haritada gösterilen yerlerde İstanbul ili Yalova ili yoğun kar yağışı olacaktır. 10 Ocak-12 Ocak arası yollarda buzlanma olma ihtimaline karşı sürücüler dikkatli olun. Zorunda olmadıkça dışarı çıkmayın. 2 gün boyunca tüm okullar ve iş yerleri tatil edilmiştir. Istanbul heavy snowfall. It will snow heavily in the areas that are mentioned in the map. Drivers be aware of icing on the roads between 10th January the 12th of January. Do not go outside except compulsory situations. Every school and workplace are closed for 2 days.
The storms we chase are leading us. And